What's up guys, Tire Kickers here with a quick look at how to replace the fuel pump in this 2000 BMW 323. I should note up front that this procedure will pretty much be identical for all late 90s and early 2000s 3 Series BMWs, including the M3, so let's get to it. Before you remove the fuel pump, you're going to want to get as much fuel out of the line as possible. To do that, we need to pop open the fuse box in the glove compartment and find fuse number 54. Using the red fuse tweezers included in the fuse box, pull fuse number 54. Now start the car and let it die so that most of the fuel is cleared from the line. Go ahead and replace the fuse while you're still thinking about it. Now you're ready to tackle the fuel pump. Give yourself some room by moving the front seats forward. Pull straight up on the front edge of the rear seat. You should feel 2 pops indicating that the seat is free to be removed. The fuel pump is on the passenger side and is covered by a metal plate secured with 4 10mm nuts. Here's a closer look at that metal plate with the 4 10mm nuts that you need to remove. Go ahead and remove the fuel pump power plug as well. With the plate and plug out of the way, you now have direct access to the fuel pump. In my case, there is a non-removable hose clamp that I will need to cut so I can pull the fuel pump out. Now we're going to work on the retaining ring that secures the fuel pump. Using a mallet and a large flathead screwdriver, I was eventually able to break the ring free by driving the screwdriver counterclockwise on the ring notches. I used 2 flathead screwdrivers to help push the rubber fuel hose off the pump housing. With the pump free, I was able to wiggle it out of the gas tank and out of the car. Now you can install the new fuel pump gasket. The top of the gasket is flat and has a notch on the upward facing surface. With the gasket seated, we can now slip the fuel pump down into the fuel tank. Here's a look at the new hose clamp that I'm using to secure the fuel line to the pump housing. Slip the retaining ring back over the fuel pump, reinstall the fuel line, and tighten the new hose clamp. Use the large flathead screwdriver and mallet to drive the retaining ring clockwise so that the fuel pump is secured. Reinstall the power plug and start the car so that way you can check for leaks.
It's cut on for sure. You can hear it humming.
Yep. If everything checks out, reinstall the metal plate and the 4 10mm nuts. Overall, this is a super easy repair that shouldn't take more than an hour. I've also included the parts and tools you'll need, but it's important to note the difference in fuel pumps based on your vehicle. Always double check that the part fits your vehicle before ordering. That's all I've got, so thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.